Have you ever stood in front of your closet feeling like nothing truly reflects the graceful, confident woman you are today? The feeling that your wardrobe hasn't evolved with your spirit can quietly rob you of your confidence. But what if I told you that elegance isn't about having more clothes or spending more money? It's about knowing what to avoid just as much as what to embrace. In today's video, we're diving into 12 common wardrobe mistakes that elegant women over 50 must avoid, because true sophistication lies in the details. From the fit of your jacket to the sheen of your shoes, every choice whispers something about you. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you exactly how to elevate your wardrobe effortlessly, without losing your sense of self. Now let's begin with the first mistake, and I want you to answer this in the comments. When was the last time you truly assessed your wardrobe with fresh eyes? One, wearing outdated cuts that age you. Elegance evolves. So should your wardrobe. One of the most common pitfalls for women over 50 is holding on to styles that were trendy 15 years ago, but no longer serve your current body, energy, or aesthetic. Think overly boxy blazers, bulky shoulder pads, or low-rise pants from the early 2000s. Elegance isn't stuck in the past, it's timeless. Ask yourself, does this piece still represent the woman I am today? Let me know in the comments. What's one piece you've outgrown style-wise? If you are enjoying this video so far, I want you to do something for me. Like this video and also share it. You know why this is important? It will help us reach more amazing women like you. Also, let us know your favorite tips or something I must have missed out. Great, let's move on. Wearing the wrong bra or undergarments. You can wear the most expensive outfit, but if your undergarments are not supportive or well-fitted, the entire silhouette collapses. A sagging bust line or visible panty lines can instantly downgrade your look. Schedule a professional bra fitting annually and invest in seamless shapewear that flatters without discomfort. You'll be surprised how this small change can completely transform your look. Over-accessorizing. Yes, accessories are powerful, but elegance is knowing when to stop. Layering 5 chunky bangles, oversized earrings, and a printed scarf may feel expressive, but often it creates visual clutter. The rule of thumb? Before leaving the house, remove one accessory. Think of your outfit like a sentence. Accessories are the punctuation. Make sure you're not overusing exclamation marks. Wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Too tight says you're trying too hard. Too loose says you've given up. Neither sends the message of elegant confidence. Invest in a tailor. Seriously. The perfect fit enhances your shape, allows freedom of movement, and screams polish. Remember, elegance isn't just seen, it's felt. Would you like a video on how to find a tailor or tailor at home? Choosing loud prints over refined patterns. While prints can absolutely be elegant, overly loud patterns, especially those that clash with your skin tone or frame, can be visually overwhelming. Instead, opt for classic patterns like soft florals, pinstripes, polka dots, or a gentle houndstooth. These timeless prints enhance rather than distract. Neglecting your shoes. An elegant woman's outfit is only as good as her shoes. Scuffed heels, worn-out soles, or impractical designs not only ruin your look, but also your posture and comfort. Stick to neutral, classic styles like loafers, low-block heels, or chic pointed flats. If you're finding these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And remember, by sharing this video, you're helping more women discover how beautiful aging with elegance can truly be. Ignoring seasonal dressing. Wearing heavy, dark fabrics in spring or floral chiffon in the middle of December sends mixed messages. Dressing seasonally is not just about weather. It shows you're connected to the world around you. Think linen for summer, tweed for autumn, wool for winter, and pastels or florals for spring. Not only will you feel more comfortable, but you'll look in sync with the environment. Overly matchy-matchy outfits. Gone are the days when your handbag had to match your shoes exactly. Today, elegance lies in intentional contrast. Complement your navy blazer with camel accessories. Pair burgundy shoes with a cream handbag. It feels more modern and shows a confident hand at styling. What's your favorite color combo right now? Wearing all black all the time. Black is classic, yes, but too much black, especially close to the face, can drain the skin of warmth and highlight fine lines. Instead, bring in navy, charcoal, espresso brown, or rich jewel tones like emerald and plum. These add sophistication and glow to your complexion. If you're unsure about colors that flatter your skin tone, stay tuned. I'll be doing a full video on that very soon. Wearing the same handbag every day. A handbag is an extension of your outfit. Wearing the same worn-out purse daily, no matter how practical, can become a style rut. Rotate between a structured tote, a crossbody for casual days, and a clutch or smaller bag for elegant outings. And remember, the quality of your bag speaks volumes, even more than the label on it. Neglecting your outerwear. Think about it. Your coat or jacket is often the first thing people see, yet many of us treat it as an afterthought. A puffy, outdated parka over an elegant outfit can completely clash. Instead, opt for well-cut trench coats, tailored wool coats, or capes for cooler days. Make sure the outerwear flatters and matches the sophistication underneath. Are you still with me? If yes, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you're not already part of our elegance-loving community. Wearing trendy pieces that don't align with your style. Not every trend is worth chasing. In fact, true style is about knowing what works for you and having the courage to skip the rest. Those neon green jackets, extreme ripped jeans, you don't need them. Stick with pieces that highlight your strengths and speak to who you are. Timeless, refined, confident. Elegance is never loud. It whispers, it lingers, and it leaves a lasting impression. Gracefully aging is not about playing it safe. It's about being intentional. Every piece in your wardrobe is a reflection of how you see yourself and how you wish to be remembered. Don't let common style mistakes distract from the powerful, beautiful presence you truly are. So tell me in the comments, which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Or which one are you guilty of and planning to fix today? And if this video resonated with you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's continue building this elegant, supportive community of women who know that sophistication only deepens with time. Because elegance isn't about the clothes, it's about you. Exposing the secrets to timeless elegance. You deserve to look and feel your best. Our ebook, Your Guide to Timeless and Elegant Style, is here to revolutionize your fashion game. From dressing for your body shape to choosing the perfect colors for your skin undertone, we've got you covered. With detailed modules and clear pictures, you'll learn how to pick the right fabrics to look expensive, build a timeless wardrobe, and discover style tips that scream elegance. Imagine unlocking your chic potential with just a few clicks. Thousands of women have already transformed their style and confidence with this guide. And the best part? It's available at a limited time offer before prices go up again. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description and start your journey to timeless elegance today.